We've made a mock-up of a corrugated iron roof with an exaggerated seam so you can clearly see the gap between the two sheets. The other side we've prepared an area to hopefully show the waterproofing properties of the product. We'll put a hose on here in a minute to show you the water coming through, and hopefully over the fixed area to show the water not coming through, and then we'll show you how we achieve that. We're going to apply a coat over the corrugated sheet on either side of that gap. We're going to apply a piece of Geo Fabric over the gap and then apply some more product over the top, and when that dries we'll probably put another coat on there to get our 2mm thickness, and that should end up looking very similar to the other side of the mock-up. Right, first of all we need to make sure that the surface is clean and dry. Now we need to put plenty on because we're trying to get that 2mm of dry film thickness. We just brush a heap on there, and then we apply the Geo Fabric over the top, making certain there's no creases in it. Once you've got that on, you apply another coat over the top, paying attention not to put any creases in the Geo Fabric. Again, putting plenty on. In about 4 hours, when that's touch dry, you can apply another thick coat over the top, and that'll help build up the product so that you end up with that 2mm thickness. And apply that on your screw holes as well if you've got any leaky screw holes. If you've got a hole with no screw in it, you can apply a piece of Geo Fabric over that using the same system, and that'll seal that hole. And that's how you repair a corrugated roof.